Don't cut my ends, you say?
The dumbest shit people say about black hair.
That's right. Join Cheryl, Morrow, and I every Monday as we discuss this kind of stuff right here. Don't cut my ends. It's so cheesy, guys. This is what happens to your hair when you do not cut your ends. It will cut itself. Please understand, all textures of hair, whether you're twisting, locking, flat ironing, relaxing, coloring, it's ultra tacky when you do not.
What you talking about, Will?
Okay, what I'm talking about is these ends right here, okay? We've got to do better, people, okay? Allow the cosmetologist and barber to take care of your hair in its entirety to prevent this from happening. I call this hair atrophy. It just wastes away on its own. The complicated thing about this right here is that when you have afro hair, you really can't see it when it draws up. But when you stretch it out, clearly you have gashes in the center. Yeah, I know. Seriously? Yes, Snoopy. Seriously. Take the time to get the ends shaped up as needed per the recommendation of your licensed cosmetologist and your barber. We love you and we love your hair, so we know what's best. Remember, haircuts are not about how much you take off, but how much you leave on. So schedule your appointments to have your hair cut regularly. I got you, boo, okay? To prevent this type of breakage from happening. It's not that one side is growing longer than the other. It's one side is breaking off faster than the other. Key Lolo got your back. Cheryl and I are here for you every Monday to help liberate you from this type of nonsense that's going to cost you in the end, either at the salon or on your head, okay? So I hope you find this video extremely helpful, and maybe you'll be a little bit more inspired to trust your barber or your cosmetologist to cut those ends.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
No. All right, gotta go. Don't forget, yes, cut your ends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The documentary is coming soon. I'll be here for you. Cheryl will be here for you every Monday at 6 o'clock p.m. Deuces.